Hi, welcome to Aircraft Tourism Canada and to Saint-Donat, Quebec. Saint-Donat is a township municipality located approximately 135 kilometers northwest of Montreal. The town is surrounded by mountains and numerous water basins of the Laurentian Mountains. The nearest natural landmark is the Mont Tremblant National Park. Saint-Donat was founded sometime near 1876 by a religious community. The year-round population of Saint-Donat is approximately 3,700, but during the tourist season, the number of people actually in Saint-Donat can reach 20,000. Saint-Donat has been recognized for its beauty and received a national recognition, especially for the quality of its public places. The town is a 30 to 40 minute walk, no car rental or taxi, but you can call for a local Uber type service. The telephone number can be found in the small airport shack. The main street has local arts and crafts shops, farmer market, kiosks, restaurants, and accommodation. Saint-Donat and the area's beauty and relaxed atmosphere is worth it. This video was produced by Aircraft Tourism Canada. If you have any suggestions, send your feedback to aircrafttourism@gmail.com.